You know, having the right tools to be able to do the job is so important to anything that you're doing. You know, a carpenter can't go build a house without a good hammer. It's very brutal on any kind of gear. I mean, when you look out there, there's thorns and rocks and rough brush. You've got to work the land, and so you've got to have a piece of equipment that can stand up to those types of rigors and those types of demands. And the last couple of years, I've been really testing and pushing this Cabela's tractor to the limit. As I start to digest what I've got out of these units, I mean, I look at the demands and the rigors that we put them through and some of the projects that we've tackled. And you know, our tractor has a few battle scars on the outside, but the one thing that has not, you know, wavered is the power of that tractor. You know, we've not had any issues there. All I've had to do is basically, you know, a little bit of fluid, you know, general maintenance that you're gonna have to do on any vehicle out there. And every time I've turned that key on and every time I've tackled a project, my Cabela's tractor has been right there and performed flawlessly. Then when you fast forward to the wildlife management aspects of it, getting out in the field and be able to create food plots. Now, we'll use a combination on some of these heavy duty jobs where we go in and maybe do some heavy brush clearing with a bulldozer, but then we come back in behind that and be able to and can manipulate and manage the property with our tractors. And in these cases here, we're going out and working food plots, big and small. We're going along and tilling the ground, and all of the accessories that Cabela's offers allows us to be able to pick and choose what we need to get the maximum efficiency in the field. When you look at what Cabela's has done with their line of tractors, be it all the way to the small to the big ones, I mean, you've got a line of products out there that have proven themselves over the last few years to be able to handle anything you can put them up against. So when you start to summarize, you know, some of the things that we've been able to do, it's very apparent that Cabela's has such a wide range of products and implements out there. They're going to allow you to be successful, and they have proven all over the United States how durable they are.
Go to Cabela's.com/WLM for more info about wildlife and land management, and go more in depth with all the tractors, implements, and products that Cabela's has to offer.
here is our latest addition to our compact tractor family, which is the Boomer 20. 25 actually is this model. We're really excited about this because this new product that we have is really, it's a real tractor. It's a real tractor which does real work. This isn't a small lawn and garden type tractor which manufacturers have put on steroids and beefed them up so they pretend to do real jobs. This is actually a real tractor. It's a miniature, basically a miniature version of some of the bigger tractors that you see around here. So it was launched this past February. We've got units flowing into dealers and being retailed to customers now. It's a great little machine. I know, Abe, you actually had one out on your property here recently driving it.
Does a great job. This tractor, it's not a toy. That's what we like to say. It does all kinds of work. It'll really do quite a lot. In fact, it can even lift up a lot of the competition's tractors that are this size. And that's something the competition can't do. So we were really proud of this new launch, and Dan's doing a real good job getting out in the market.
Thanks, Abe.